Hello everyone, welcome to Hustle Post Academy student interview series. Today we have with us Mudrika Mishra, who's been with Hustle Post Academy for almost a year now, and her journey with us has been so exciting. So thank you, Mudrika, for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me over here. And it still feels surreal to see you face to face. So it's like, as I said, it's like meeting my professional crush. So yeah, one big achievement.
That's so sweet. Thank you. Thank you so much. Mudrika, tell us a little bit about you. Tell us about, what you do right now, and just, a quick introduction so that our audience can understand who you are.
Okay. So basically, yeah, my name is Mudrika, and before joining HPA, I was actually working as a branding, PR, and communication professional with big healthcares like Apollo and Aster, etc. And because I had to move to Germany with my husband, so I had to quit my job to be with him over here. So that time, he left a little early so that he could settle things for us, so that me and my daughter can join him conveniently. So after he left, I had to apply for my visa, but then pandemic happened, and everything closed, and I couldn't go for almost 4 months. I couldn't, for like almost, I guess, eight to 9 months. Yes, I was here back in India, and he was in Germany. So I was वो होता है ना हमारा कि दिमाग में सेट होता है कि एक जॉब छोड़िए तो नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन इज द अदर जॉब.
Correct.
तो वो या आई वाज फ्रॉम दैट माइंडसेट कि एक जॉब छोड़िए, नेक्स्ट पैसे कमाने कुछ करने, तो या नेक्स्ट जॉब. सो आई वाज हैप्पीली सिटिंग रिलैक्स कि ठीक है, जब जर्मनी पहुंचेंगे देन वी लुक फॉर अ जॉब. So I was I started to just pass time. I started scrolling Instagram. I had no idea how Instagram operated before this pandemic. I was not at all there. Matlab, I created my profile during pandemic. So then I came across, but I had been following you on YouTube already. So I knew you, but kabhi interaction nahi hua tha. So then when I saw, and you had that vibe that, trustworthy, very genuine, and, coming from a good place, good, clean heart, वैसा वाला vibe था. So I connected with you on that level. And the value you provided in YouTube was for free. वो इतना अच्छा था. So, I was like, so I started, posting few things on Instagram, ऐसे ही randomly. Whatever thoughts inspired me, something like that, related to daily lifestyle and everything. So, but then I came across, when I saw ki you are on Instagram, then of course I had to follow you. And then when I saw that announcement that, grow your side hustle into a business in 1 year. So that was the dream that, that Hustle Post was offering. And it was so liberating, I would say, कि वो एकदम से माइंडसेट शिफ्ट हो गया देख के दैट that पहले तो साइड हसल नहीं पता था व्हाट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ साइड हसल. सो इट वाज अ न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर मी दैट एंड होता था कि आई हैड रिटन अ लॉट प्रोफेशनली, बट कभी भी नहीं सोचा था, नेवर हैड आई थॉट दैट आई कैन राइट एंड गेट मनी एंड अर्न मनी आउट ऑफ इट. That was something that came to me from you, from the offer from HPA, that HPA will help me earn out of this skill that I have, जो मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था, seriously कभी नहीं सोचा था. So that way that when HPA का announcement हुआ, then I read everything, then I was like, okay fine, this can happen. तो वो हुआ कि I don't have to depend on a job. मतलब मुझे कहीं ना कहीं there was a reservation that because in Germany language barrier है, I might not get a job for a long time.
Correct.
Then what will I do? Because I had been financially independent before even I got a regular job. So I had been financially independent. So leaving that, financial independence was a big concern for me.
Right.
So I was constantly not aggressively but passively मेरे दिमाग में था, what am I gonna do? How am I gonna I was very proud of being financially independent for so long time. And my parents are also very proud of that.
Correct.
So I didn't want to let that go. So jab HPA happened, and I was like, okay, we can make this work. I can still have that even if I don't have a 9 to 5 job. तो मेरे लिए वो बहुत 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 बड़ा, एंड आई डेंट थिंक ट्वाइस. आई एचपी का जैसे अनाउंसमेंट हुआ, जुलाई में मेरा बर्थडे था, एंड आई वाज लाइक दिस इज गोना बी माय बर्थडे गिफ्ट, सो आई गिफ्टेड इट टू माई सेल्फ. एंड देन rest is history, you know,
Of
everything
course,
started falling in place,
of
and I was
course.
so happy to take that step. I didn't think twice. I was like, मुझे जाने ना, मैंने किसी से पूछा ना, मैंने किसी से कंसल्ट किया. I was like, this is it, I have to go for it.
Love that. Love that. Thank you so much for giving us, a little bit of an idea about how you got started, and
Yeah.
the dream that excited you, the fact that you can start a side hustle and turn that into your full-time career in 1 year's
Yes.
time. That has happened for you, right? You have been
Yeah.
able to convert that into a full-time career in 1 year's time. You're currently
Yes.
making close to 70,000 rupees a month, which is great money, which is so
Yes.
amazing. And you're able to leverage your own writing skills, your own creative social media skills, and you're able to use
Absolutely.
that into and you're able to turn that into a career. I feel that to me is the most amazing thing, right? Just when you realize
I
that
know.
something that you're already good at that can actually pay you money, that feeling is so liberating.
Actually, and almost जब आपके दिमाग में that idea never came to you. मतलब
Right,
मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था that this can turn into an earning thing. So,
right,
and not only earning, you know, it gave me that comfort that I don't
right.
need to depend on a 9 to 5 to, you know, be financially independent. वो एक बहुत बड़ा eureka moment था कि, you know, this can happen. So
Right.
that happened to me when HPA happened to me.
Love that. Love that. Great, great. Thank you so much, Mudrika, for giving us a little bit of a background. Now, I want to understand, what are some things that you're doing now post HPA? What are some of the activities that you're engaged in? What kind of projects do you take up? What kind of clients are you working with? Just so that, we understand where you are now.
Right. Okay. So basically, I started with website. मेरा पहला project था was a
Right.
website content writing. So I'm keeping it bilingual. It's okay, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, totally.
So my first project was, content writing for a website, which came through my junior. She was my
Oh,
college
love
junior, and she started her clothing line. And I had, because when I started that I want to do, when I thought that I want to do content writing, I started spreading out the word. I thought पहले दुनिया को बताने से पहले that I should tell my own circle
Correct.
and see if somebody needs my services. So that happened. So, and my first earning was 25,000. I
Wow.
did the entire for very
Awesome.
first. Yeah, and I started with rupees 1 per word, because the kind of preparation that happened in the back end, that gave me the confidence through
Absolutely.
HPL.
Absolutely.
Attending the power up, I know what I had to do. So that helped me on the first, income, which was so, good. मैंने start corporate 9 to 5 में my first was 8,000 when I first joined my job. So here it was 25,000. So that got me that you cannot put a number. If you're a freelancer, you cannot put a number on how much you can earn. You decide how much you earn.
Absolutely.
Your organization doesn't decide how much you earn and how much you can, stretch out. It depends on you entirely. So yeah. So I took up website content writing was my first gig, and then I went on to do a lot of social media captions for another friend who was also from college, and she has a very successful page on Instagram, so sustainable sarees and all that. So I did product descriptions for her. I did website copy for her, everything entirely. So, and then I started started like talking about my services, and then I started getting clients out of my, immediate circle. Then I started working on, social media captions. So now I have from 6 to 7 months back, I started doing social media management also for people, for whatever little knowledge I have. I want to make my forte into writing. So that is what I do. Like I can, be an expert on that. Social media management, I've started trying my hand at it. So yeah, that is how it's proceeding. And then I want to learn better like marketing skills and all that to make it a cohesive kind of thing. Yeah,
absolutely, makes total sense. This is so cool. I love the fact that the very first client you got was 25,000 rupees, because and a lot of people assume that if they are looking to get into content writing, they would be paid peanuts, probably 10 paisa per word or 20 paisa per word.
Yeah,
And to
no.
them, my only recommendation is please do not work for these rates, because this is it's kind of you are undervaluing yourself a lot if you are charging, these kind of rates. So anybody who's looking at this interview, if you are a content writer, make sure that you have all the confidence in yourself to charge high ticket, so that you're not able to because if you're working with a lot of clients, if you're working at just 20 paisa 30 paisa per word, to make a sustainable income, you'll have to work with a lot of clients, and if you're charging high ticket with just 3 or 4 clients in a month, you'll be able to easily make pretty good money, and you'll be able to sustain yourself really well. So that's amazing. Absolutely.
But I could do that only because I had HPA ka support. Because HPA ka power up jab content writing wala launch hua tha, I was like, this has prepared me so well. So that is something that gave me more confidence.
Right.
I mean, I was okay, I was good at writing, but wo jo technicalities hai na,
right,
and how to actually edit. You have,
right,
explained everything in detail.
right.
So that content, I go back to it till now.
Right.
I mean, whenever I'm doing like chores around the house, or, something, if I cannot sit and read, I'm always having HPA lectures in my mind, in my, ears. So
love that.
Every time I'm learning. So I can now, even if you are in a crowd and if you speak, I'll be able to know ki Saloni ki awaaz hai. Saloni is standing somewhere. So it's me, I'm familiar with your voice so much.
Love that. Love that. This is so cool. Now, I also want to understand, Mudrika, I see that you have also, done a really good job with your own social media. Your Instagram has grown so much. You've gotten so many followers, and you've just done such a good job with reels, your own content. How was that journey like? How did you, because you told me 1 year back, you were not even on Instagram. And then from there,
no, I was not.
Now having such a flourishing Instagram account, tell us about how that happened.
So that also happened because of HPA. So yeah, because pehle mujhe idea hi nahi tha, and there is a power up on Instagram also. Correct. How to go about it right from the scratch.
Correct.
So usse bhi, I learned how to actually optimize my profile, how to actually project my content, how to actually use reels and everything. So that, that also, because pehle it was all over the place. But correct. After the course, I had a strategy. I had, something to go back to, refer to, and then work on my content.
Correct. Makes sense.
Everything, that is happening. I grew from 300 followers to now to close to, 1900 plus. So that also happened in this time. So that was only because I had, something to refer to. I have the strategies to work on. I know at least basic acha, foundation, and how to build up on that. That everything I know I have in my, kitty to refer back to and, work on it.
Love that. That is so cool. That is so cool. Mudrika, tell me, what has been your one favorite thing inside HPA? Favorite class, favorite activity, anything like, a lecture that has really helped you with a lot of issues that you were facing, or has really helped you learn something new? So what has been your favorite part of Hustle Post Academy?
My content writing ka power up. That has, that has made me build whatever I'm doing right now. How to pitch to clients, how to network, you have everything is explained in such detail that I see that this is HPA's course is a wholesome thing. If you have this, you don't have to go and refer to any other course, any other single thing, because it's an all, like it's a mall of courses. Right. If I can, say that, because sab kuch hai usme. If you have HPA, you have everything, to hold you back if you fall back. So
love that.
That way.
This is so cool. I'm going to use this, that it is the mall of courses.
Mall of courses.
You can come in and you can find whatever you're interested in. I totally, resonate with that, because when I was even launching Hustle Post Academy, that was the thought I had in my head that, I know how to grow Instagram. I know how to grow YouTube. I know how to do freelancing. So should I launch one course that covers just one of these things, or can I just teach everything to everyone and then people can figure out? Because, if you're
Yeah.
starting out as a side hustler on social media, all of these platforms in some way or the other are useful for you to leverage. And, that was my thought process also when I was launching that course. So I love that it's sort of resonating with my students as well.
Yeah, it is. I mean, it's a one-stop shop for everything, that kind of thing. Yeah.
Love that. Love that. Awesome. Thank you so much. One last thing I would, want to ask Mudrika, what are your plans going forward? What are you looking at now? You are already an established freelancer. You're doing content, social media. You're doing so many things. Going forward, what are you looking at doing in your journey now?
Right. So I want to, as I mentioned earlier, I want to work on my marketing skills. I want to learn how ads work. I want to learn, how content marketing works. And I also want to build up more, because right now I have worked with like only maybe, as I mentioned, 30 odd brands right now. So I want to work more in content writing itself, build an expertise into that. And, for another year also, I want to give it more time to polish my skills more and more and more. And then I want to make it like an entire package which I can offer to my clients, like social media management, content writing, content marketing, content strategy, everything. So that is the goal that I have in mind to, if a client comes to me, he need not go anywhere else. That's
Right.
my goal.
Right. Love that.
I want to provide everything.
Love that. So you're also kind of, in some sense, you're looking to become an agency of sorts, right? If a client comes to you, he or she will get everything and anything that they're looking at. And, given that you are now making such good income, do you at some point in the next year, do you also have plans of expanding your team, getting a few free writers under you? Is that something you're looking at?
Definitely, but expanding my team, वो वही कहा जाता है that I have a specific style of writing.
Correct.
तो वो find करने के लिए वो एक थोड़ा अंदर से होता है कि that will take a lot of effort. But of course, if it expands, then I have to also delegate. But इतना अभी है नहीं. So it will happen in the future, definitely. So I will look out for like-minded people.
Love that. Love that. That's great too. And this is something that has happened a lot inside HPA, that a lot of people who at any point when they decided that they want to expand their team, HPA becomes a good recruitment ground as well, right? Like we already have close to 4,000 people now, which means you can actually just post on the group and you'll have like a lot of people reach out to you with excellent skills, with the right training. Yes. And it becomes really easy for you to hire as well. So that's something that, that is something that I'm really proud of. The fact that, our students.
The community, yes.
Yeah, the community itself. That's
amazing. And something is going on constantly, there is never a dull moment on Facebook, jo groups hain, HPA ke. There is never a dull moment. Kuch na kuch hamesha hota rehta hai. And, whenever I go back, I always learn something out of there and, come out. So it's always a learning experience, even on the group.
Love
so that. Course to hai, groups be, it's a learning platform. So yeah, it's an amazing thing to go for, invest in. Yeah.
Thank you so much. This was amazing, Mudrika. Thank you so much for taking out time and talking to us. It was so good to know about your journey, as somebody who, I completely resonate with the fact that, when your husband decided to move to Germany and, being in a position where you would have to quit your job and go there and look for something in a new country with language barriers and all of these, all of these thoughts in your head. And then the thought of not having a job for somebody who's worked their entire lives, just the thought of not having a job can be so scary. I'm so happy that HPA came in that phase and gave you all the financial freedom you needed. I'm so happy that, you were able to do that for you.
And basically, मेरे घर में principle क्या है कि बेटा खाली मत बैठो. Whatever you have, इतना काम करके जो भी knowledge है, जो भी experience है, उसको ज़ाया मत करो, So that was one big motivation. My dad always tells me that, don't sit idle, do something productive. So उस तरीके से भी वो mindset वैसे ही है कि खाली नहीं बैठना है, कुछ करना है. So that was, when I saw HP, it was like, ये करना है. So that's how it all happened. Yeah.
Love that. Awesome. Thank you so much, Mudrika. Thank you for doing this. And I would love to be in touch. If you need any help, anytime, I'm always there. Please.
I know that.
Yes. Please reach out to us. And thank you for doing this.
Thank you for having having me. I mean, I was so excited for this. तो मैं आधे घंटे पहले से बाहर बैठती हूँ अपना लैपटॉप लेके रेडी होके that you know I am doing this today.
Love that, love that. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for watching this interview. If you have any questions, Mudrika's Instagram would be linked in the description box below. Make sure that you go give her a follow. She creates amazing content for if you're an aspiring copywriter, content writer, social media manager. Her content is going to resonate with you so strongly. Thank you so much, Mudrika, for doing this, and I will see you all next time. Bye.